In addition to the rubberized asphalt, the Texas Proof Roof shingle also has other components that differentiate it from your typical standard 30-year shingle that you may have put on your roof last time, and maybe you've done it multiple times over the years. And what this has is a larger nail area. You can see these yellow lines compared to your typical shingle. And so when the nails hit the shingle, it's hitting both layers of the shingle, because there's 2 layers to a laminated shingle. And what that does is hold the shingle better. We find this a lot where shingles actually start slipping out or falling off the roof, especially on steep roofs. Or when the wind blows, it is more easy to blow the shingle off because the nail doesn't go through both layers. The other thing they do is just the sealant that glues these 2 layers together. Your typical shingle, you can see this black line here. There's 2 more down here underneath that glue it together, so there's 3 sealing lines. This shingle actually has 5. So there's 1 here and there's 4 down here. And so there's more sealant that's holding the shingle together. I have actually never seen this shingle ever do what's called delaminating, where the 2 separate and come apart. The other thing is the type of sealant that's used. So it's a polymer modified asphalt sealant. Again, similar to that rubberized asphalt, it has more flexibility and just more ability to withstand temperature variation, because over time what happens is that those sealants lose its stickiness, which keeps that from staying on the roof, especially in high wind situations. And so those are a few other differences that this shingle has. In addition to having the 3M granule that has a smog reducing granule. And what that does, it's like an average roof is 2 to 4 trees in your yard. It actually helps clean the air, which is very unique. Time magazine actually gave 3M a Innovation of the Year award in 2018 for that. This shingle has that on it. It's only one of 2 shingles that has it right now.